Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 42, Lesson 1 Exercises. Here we have practice with qui plus subjunctive. And you'll see that qui can act just like ut, and therefore take a, what here is called the final subjunctive, but it's commonly called the purpose, subjunctive of purpose, in an ut clause. So here's our example. Exemplum, hostes legatos miserunt, qui, meaning ut, pacem peterent. Example, the enemy sent legates who were seeking peace, in the sense of the enemy sent legates to seek peace. So if you can replace that qui with to, or so that they, then you see that you'll have a subjunctive clause here. So first question here, or first statement, Caesar pontem fecit, quo renum blank. So Caesar made a bridge by which he crossed the Rhine River. So we need here, we see that this quo phrase could be replaced with so that. Right, so Caesar made a bridge to cross the Rhine. And the form that we want is imperfect subjunctive. We know the imperfect subjunctive is just the infinitive plus mst mustis nt. So transire, transira, and we want transiret, so that he could cross the Rhine. Okay, go ahead and try this next one and move on to exercise. Finish exercise 1. Okay, so we have our vocab. Postquam res divinas blank, a word that means bono ritu, with a good or correct ritual. Fecit. Romulus blank, meaning leges, dedit. Neque enim homines, a word from Ager, sine legibus in unum populum blank poterant. So after he completed the religious things, or divine things, correctly, with a correct rite, and so what we want here is rite. Romulus blank, where it means leges, gave. So Romulus gave laws, and the word that means leges here is jura, from which we get all the words like jurisprudence and jury, because the I became a J in the Middle Ages. Okay. Neque enim homines, a word from ager, which is a field, and people, if you want to say guys who work in the field, homines ager, you use the adjective form, which is agrestis, and we need the plural of that. So for homines agrestes, for country guys, we're not able, and here we need that word that means to come together, to congeal, which is coalescere. We're not able to come together into one people without sine legibus, without laws. Okay, try that next one. Finish this section and let's go on to exercise 3. Okay, Romulus rex quae insignia sumpsit. Romulus, as king, took up what signs or symbols? Well, Romulus vestem purpuream et secures et fasces sumpsit ut insignia regis. Romulus took up the axes and the fasces and a purple garment as the signs of the king. Here we have insignia Romuli fuerunt vestis purpurea et duodecim lictores. Little different phrasing. So the signs of Romulus, or the insignia of Romulus, were a purple garment and 12 lictors. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest of those questions and answers, and then I'll see you back in the text. Bona fortuna.